What's going on? Judd Burden here from Asphalt Kingdom, and I'm extremely excited to make this announcement today. After 18 years, we have finally found the funding partner that will allow you to get the financing you need in order to buy the equipment and supply packages to grow your business and or start your very own business. 7 steps for successful funding go as follows. Step number 1, go to asphaltkingdom.com, go and do all your shopping there, add to your cart. When you go to checkout, you're gonna go through step number 1, the application process. You're gonna fill out all the necessary information, and that gets submitted over to our funding partner, Clicklease. We also get that information. Step number 2, Clicklease and Asphalt Kingdom will reach out directly to you to make sure that you're getting everything that you need in order to reinvest in your business and grow it, or start it for the very first time with the right business package that you need. Step number 3, what we do then is we send a Clicklease contract and quote. So what we essentially do is you're gonna get that contract and that quotation, you're gonna go through that, make sure you're happy with it. You can electronically sign it in step number 4, and you're gonna supply all the supporting documentation, driver's license, etc. So you'll make sure to electronically sign that and send that back over. Step number 5, you're gonna go ahead and get an approval from Clicklease, and I'll tell you, their approval rate is incredible. It's like, we've only seen a couple out of literally dozens and dozens, only a couple that did not get approved. So know that even though your credit may not be great, you're still probably gonna get funded. So that's a really nice thing to know, that you can be financially supported in order to get going. And then step number 6, we're gonna send Clicklease the final invoice. And then once we send them the final invoice, they approve it, they fund us, they fund you. Everything is ultimately done in one nice final sweep. 7 steps to successfully get funded is now available at your fingertips. Go to asphaltkingdom.com. Go ahead, do all the shopping that you need, and let's get you started in the business if you're looking to start for the first time, or if you're an existing business looking to grow and to scale and reinvest in the business. Know that you have that financing backbone now to make that happen. I hope this helps, and please do subscribe to our channel. Click that ringy bell notification to get notified every time we push out content, and follow us everywhere on all social media platforms. We really appreciate the opportunity to work with you and make it an extremely successful day. Cheers.